Hey, Monkey Happy. Look what I got for you. A little bitty grape for a little bitty monkey, because it's bath time. Maybe that grape will help you ease into it. Last time we did a bath, he had his brother help him, and they went pretty good together. Happy cried a little bit, but let's see if he'll do better for me. If he'll just do good, he's enjoying his grape. It only takes him like 2 minutes to get washed. He's so little. It takes longer to get the water temperature. Just perfect for little Happy. Oh, that's feeling pretty good, Happy. Maybe a little bit warm. I think we found it, Happy. It's perfect. Are you ready? All right, on my arm. Good boy. We'll start with his tail. Get his little backside wetting up. You gotta stay on my arm. Good boy, Happy. That's a good boy. See? Get on the belly. Underneath there. Okay, it's wet under there. You got to let me wash the belly though. Get his tail real good. Let me get some soap here, you know. I got a bunch. Nope, stay right here. Good boy. Oh, he's crying. I know, it hurts. Let me wash your hand. Let me wash this hand real good. And my foot. Oh, now you got clean monkey feet. Nice and clean. Oh, poor thing. Happy in just a minute. When I'm all done, you'll be done crying. Yeah, I know. I'm just washing his tail. Then I gotta wash his butt and his belly. Make sure you don't have any boogies. We're almost done. It's a process. A little shot for the belly. Oh, no, you gotta let my hand under here. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, that water feel good. He's like, no more of that. Oh, little Happy, it's okay. Oh, that's cool there. You know what, Happy? We didn't wash your backside. I need some more soap. Yeah, I'm finding stuff back here. A little bit of soap. Just get the backside real good there. So, oh, nice clean buttocks. That's important, Happy. Yeah. Oh, let's rinse that off real good. Little temperature to the water side. Oh, I know. It's so terrible, Happy. You'll be done crying in just a minute. I can feel your slimy, soapy belly. Oh, there you go. Got your head wet. Oh, I know. And that water's going on his belly again. Look, all rinsed off. We got a clean monkey butt. Nice clean monkey tail. One more time under the water. So Happy's back to being a crybaby. Let's see how fast we can make her stop crying. Anybody, let me just check for boogies. No monkey boogies. Got clean ears. I can do his ears like this. Nice clean ears. Whoa, look at my hair. Little style. Should we put some gel in your hair, Happy? He's like, no, you should get that towel and dry me off. I cold. Oh, now see, look. It's okay. Oh, where's the crybaby? You still gonna cry a little bit for me? You gonna cry a little bit for me? Oh, see, it's not so bad. I'm getting his tail good and dry. Good boy, Happy. You're good. I know you cried the whole time. You hate it. But at least you don't resist and fight. You just kind of lay there and cry. So that's a good thing. You gotta learn, little monkey. Now, I give you a grape before, 2. He says, I want a bottle. Yeah. You want a bottle? No. Let's see, he's still a little upset, but he's content now. He says, I'm just not sure about these bass, but I smell good. Give everybody a kiss, Happy. He's like, help me, guys, help me. Alright, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Yes, okay, come on. There's my Happy. I like that. Where's he at? Give everybody a kiss, Happy. A real kiss. Good boy, Happy.